sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga mata mo. Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na dulot ng realidad. And I don't ano ba makanta? Matcha, Namakanta niya, makakanta ng mga members. Yung kay Stel yung kahit tagal na ako nagtitimping magtapat, hindi ko masabi ang tunay kong naramdaman. Nadarama pala. Malilirik ni Pablo. Pakinggan nyo, ha? Ano ba chord ng room? As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they glued in my happens all the time, and then you tell me that you're ready to chop a pie. My oh my, come on, get it, babe. Hope you're ready, 'cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. Whoa! You will find the answer. This energy that's within me will never let you escape. Damn, it is so pretty. I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, troubling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Atin to, chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better chicken McDo. Ano mo yun? Matcha, Yun lang alam ko eh. Hindi ko sa ulo eh. Pero pinapakinggan ko naman yun. $11:46 naman. Maaga pa ka bukas man. Besides tour, maluy ka. Meron akong kinakanta recently. Ano bang kanta yun? Nakalimutan ko agad. Dang, son! Ano yung kinakanta ko? Biba Doobie. Hindi yung kay Biba Doobie. Kay Biba Doobie, hindi. Kay Siza ba yun? Whatever you, how am I supposed to know? When I'm with you, nobody gets me. Hindi, taas na yan. My God. Better but better, we should stick together and no mission living. Push kumbuto tero we do. Kung bibitaw ng may... Uy, maglalabas na ng album si Arturo eh. Kung bibitaw ng may nahunok ko pa'y lulubayan ng ating mga pangarap na di na ayusin pa na lambing mga pangak. Pag kinakanta ko yung sining, nagagaya ako dun sa may content creator na ano eh. Yung ano. Knock! Knock! If the world is ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world is ending, I wanna be next to you. Oh, wow. Pinapakinggan ko ngayon si Chapel Roan. Napakalupit na artist niya, man. Pakinggan niyan, man. Baby, why don't you come over? Red wine supernova falling into me. I don't care if you're a stoner. Red wine supernova. Meron siyang gustong kanta, Pink Pony Club. I mean, falling into me. Ano ba kanta ni Olivia Rodrigo? I got my driver's license last week. Just the virus which took about. You betrayed me, and I know that I'll never feel sorry for knowing I hurt. 10 minutes na lang, man. Kunti na lang. Wala na rin akong boses, man. Ano ko tinutugtog sa ganahan, sir? Ah! Asan yung 8-track? Walang 8-track. Grabe naman kayo. Wala na ang boses. Uy, 2 minutes na lang, man. I have to go, man. Oceans and engine. Napakalupit. Maganda sumulat dyan ni Nicki. Gusto ko yung line niya dun na, while you're running on liquor, my soul gets sicker. While you're wolfing down liquor, my soul gets sicker. My God, goodness. Ang ganda ng lyrics. Tsaka si Biba Doobie, yung pinapakinggan ngayon. Si Chapel Roan, tsaka si Biba Doobie. Yeah. 12 na, man. Bye-bye, man. It's time to go for all bop. You have to listen to my album and share your thoughts and everything. Share it to your friends, your families, your best friends, your lovers. Sa aso nyo, pakinig nyo. It will make the world better. I promise you guys. So, thank you so much for your support. Magkita-kita tayo sa Robinsons Ilocos sa 22 September. Sa 29 naman sa Laguna. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Salamat sa buhay nyo. Mag-iingat kayo parati. Babayu. Kasi 12 na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.